Yo, what is up, guys? Alejandro Valdez here. Today I am in Tempe, Arizona at Tempe Town Lake, and there are sirens. There's a couple of sirens here. Here with a friend, and I'm basically gonna check out these sirens that are right there. The tower. Try to get, yeah, I gotta get a video of these sirens. Huh? Gotta get a video of these horns, these sirens. Yeah, guys, so beautiful day in Tempe Town Lake. People kayaking. So let's go check out. I came all the way to Tempe for one freaking reason. And as you guys know, I posted videos of Door Volunteer Fire Company. Well, this is a vlog. This is one of my first vlogs. Well, yeah, these things are beautiful. I don't know how close we're gonna get to them, but as you can see, they're right there. Okay, I don't know exactly if these are actual legit sirens or not. We're gonna find out. Damn. Sorry, I'm out of breath, guys. Alrighty. Yes. Yeah, so these are thunderbolts. They're used for activation if the water gets too close to the scene or too close to the ground. These are exactly thunderbolts. It's a better view. These things are horribly loud. No, I'm not gonna ask if I can set them off. But as you can see, they have a light where that little light up there lights up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Yes, sirski. Yeah. These are the real deal, guys. These are the real deal. So there's one facing that way. These things rotate, so they go around. One of them's high, the other's low. So it's a high-low siren. They can go in several different modes. As for instance, attack or actually, let's see if I can get a picture. Okay. So I caught a picture. Here's my buddy. So, as you guys see, I am from Canada, and our sirens are a lot more different in Canada than anything. We crossing the bridge. So, another look at the Thunderbolt 780s. Or, I know that they're Thunderbolts, but I don't know what type of Thunderbolts they are. But like I said, they are used to, if this water here gets too high, then they'll go off. And they are very loud. Sirens are very loud. I am actually a volunteer firefighter. So with that being, our station has a siren. And probably in the next couple of videos, I will be posting pictures of a siren going off, if I can. But here's the link, guys. We are crossing the bridge. Southwest Airlines flying over. I think it's a Boeing 787. Let's try to look. Yeah, so it looks like a Boeing. And can't really see the fish anywhere. yeah, guys. Tempe PD is not around here. So, yeah. That was sirens. That was the first time I've saw a legit up close air raid siren before. That is very up close, actually, without it going off. So, if you guys look closely, you guys can see the wall barrier. On that black thing right over there is a sensor. So if the water gets too high, the air raid sirens will go off. And those, unfortunately, will go off. Like I said, I don't know what type of sirens those are. I wish I could tell you guys. I think they're Thunderbolts, but I don't know what version Thunderbolt they are. I really don't. I think there's some on this side as well, but those are the city's federal signals.
It changes every day.
There's a brief look at the sunset. Yo. Okay. There's the sunset.
What are we talking about?
There goes another plane. So this is the studio center, the Tempe Center for the Arts. So we're gonna go this way.
I thought it was sick, bro.
Okay. Yeah, so you guys have a safe night. I will I'll eventually come out. I have some videos on my phone where I'll be taking to YouTube of fire engines responding, stuff like that. So another look at the lake. We are on the west side of the lake, so there's really not much to see. Yeah, really, it kind of smells because of all the fish, but this is Tempe. Beautiful city. You guys have a good one.